Hello everyone. In the last few video lectures we learned about the different parts. Part first, in which we learned the morphological features of the different flowering plants. In part second we learn about the stem, root and its modification. In part 3 we learn about the stem and its modification, and today we learn about the leaves and its modification, that is part 4th. As we know that the different kinds of the leaves, that is called the types of leaves. The leaves are divided into two kinds, mainly simple leaves and the compound leaves. The simple leaves are generally observed in the many of the plants, say for an example Hibiscus rosa sinensis or the mango. Then compound leaves divided into pinnately compound and the palmately compound leaves. Pinnately compound leaves having unipinnate, bipinnate, tripinnate and the multipinnate. In unipinnate compound leaves we learn about the peripinnate and the imperipinnate, while the multi-pinnately compound leaves having the D compound structures. Palmately compound leaves having unifoliate leaves, bifoliate leaves, trifoliate leaves and the quadrifoliate leaves. Types of leaves, that is foliage, cotyledonary, scale leaves, bract, florals and the sporophyls. So these are the certain types of the leaves on the basis of their position, like the colline, ramal and the radicle as shown in this figure. Now leaf venation, there are two main kinds of the leaf venation, that is parallel and reticulate. Sometimes it is called opercunicate. So the parallel venation, unicostate, multicostate, and the reticulate venation having a unicostate and the multicostate structures. So modification of leaves consist of leaf tendrils, leaf spines, scale leaves, phyllodes and the feature plants. So these are the different features, that is the different kinds of the modification of the leaves. Let us see one by one. This is the leaf tendrils, say for an example Gloriosa superba. So where in the axils of these plants they developing into the a wiry structure, that is called as a tendrils, that is a modification of the leaves known as leaf tendrils. Then secondly, leaf spines. These are the three different examples of the leaf spines that is occurred in the Ziziphus, Yucca and Argemone. So that's showing the number of spines on this particular lateral parts or the margins or at the typical apical portions or in the axils. Now leaf scales. Scales are generally found in the onion plants, that is Allium cepa. So these are the outermost layer that is called as scales, and this is one of the modification of the leaves. Then the phyllodes. The phyllodes is just a leaf-like structures. It is just modified structure of the leaves, that is called as the phyllodes. Say for an example Australian bubble. This is a picture where this particular kind of the modification which is developed in this particular plant, where this petiole developing into the such a sac like structure having the lead itself, it is insectivorous plant. So this is also the one of the modification of the leaves. Thank you for watching.